be done. Already the flies are eager for blood. The boy grows wild for the sound of the beast, understanding its pain. If he is not stopped soon, there will be no halting him. The cow has given no milk. Try as we might, she is dry. Father has made it to the porch with his shotgun. In his house there will be order, a procedure for even the most mundane, the most absurd of things. From the painted, polished boards, he calls to the boy continues. Blood gathers on the ground in Bolshevik puddles. Father calls again, the boy's arm in preparation. Flies ever higher, the whip sings, ever more maiden-like in its arc. The cow raises her back to the blow. Muscle, father aims the gun, nudges the trigger. His shoulder quivers eagerly with report, searching carefully. The cow falls to its side. Here, leather, kidney, heart, lung, stomach. The boy's unquestioning stare. By the half hour, half an hour is always enough. Though sometimes it takes more than 1 square meter. Rates are kept reasonable by volume. We are not a greedy nation. We sell tickets to particular plots at comfort gates, stretching drearily along the reasonable border fence. We are not a populous land, so we hire women from one neighbor nation to man our gates, shared with the nation on the opposite side. They speak different languages, but have developed a common tongue. They silently hold out a ticket, in one hand cut the other for coin. Usually the woman entering looks back to ask her husband, 1 ticket or 2, exact fare is encouraged.